What if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Not forever, just for 1 minute. No warning, no escape. In that single moment, everything we know about balance, motion, and life itself would shatter. Imagine the unimaginable, a world frozen in an instant, held captive by the chaos that follows. The Earth spins on its axis at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. This constant rotation shapes everything: day and night, wind patterns, ocean currents, even gravity's delicate dance. But what if that spin stopped dead for just 60 seconds? At first, silence. The atmosphere keeps moving forward at full speed, as does everything not anchored to bedrock. Oceans, air, buildings, and yes, you. Imagine standing on a planet that suddenly threw off its rhythm. The moment Earth stopped spinning, the planet's surface would experience a cataclysmic surge. At the equator, everything not solidly fixed would be flung eastward at over 1,600 kilometers per hour, faster than a jetliner. The oceans? They'd surge too, creating mega-tsunamis swallowing coastlines worldwide. Within seconds, winds would whip into unprecedented storms, tearing cities apart. As the minute ticks by, tectonic plates would strain under sudden new stresses, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on a scale humanity has never seen. But not everywhere would be equally affected. Near the poles, where rotation speed is slower, damage would be less severe, though nothing would be untouched. In that chaotic minute, millions would lose everything, lives shattered, families torn apart. But beyond the physical devastation lies a deeper question. How would humanity respond? Would we unite, humbled by the fragility of our world, or fracture further, consumed by fear and chaos? What would it mean for a society whose very time-keeping circadian rhythms and technology depend on Earth's spin? And if the planet resumed spinning as mysteriously as it stopped, what scars, physical and emotional, would remain? For 60 seconds, the Earth defies nature, and in those 60 seconds, everything changes. So the question remains, if your world suddenly stopped spinning, how would you find your balance again? Would you survive the storm, or be lost forever in a world that forgot how to turn?